So today's thing, we're gonna be going hiking today. We got
what's up,
Terry and Gracie.
We about to do this thing.
We missing Jason. So, well, you hit that light for me? I don't know. We don't know who else is supposed to be being there, but we going hiking today. So let's be motivated. So just got out here to the trail. It's like a whole bunch of like mountains and stuff. And I'm scared to look over this thing right now because it's like, oh shit, like a drop. What the freak? Look at this. So we about to get this started, and I'm gonna be right back at you. Almost there.
Look, he's about to take a break.
Made it to the end.
He's injured.
And you got people that's injured out here, but we trucking. All right, I made it to the end. It's a wrap.
This is what we're gonna feel.
And I did the damn thing. All right, so before we go up there, we're about to grab something to eat. So I'm gonna swing over to QDOBA. We're gonna meet up there. And then about to go have some fun. My driveway is like the hardest to come up out of because it's so the traffic's that's running be so busy, and it's like no stoplight, and so you gotta like be praying and jumping in front of somebody. I'm simple, man. What I just need is white rice.
Because it's buy one, get one for free.
Oh,
if
okay.
you like it on her Facebook page.
Got you. So I'm getting white rice, chicken, cheese, plain, easy does it. No, that'll be all. Yeah.
That's only the burrito. I think that's only the burrito.
Is it?
Yeah.
Which one? It's only with the burrito? Yes, ma'am. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'll get a burrito.
Greg's about to get the burrito, y'all.
What kind of burrito are you gonna have so I can go ahead and bring it out with the same, like the brisket? Yeah.
Oh.
You gonna bring your camera?
Huh? Yeah, something like that.
And you like the page? You got it? Oh.
Yeah.
So you gotta cut it off.
You said what?
You gotta like the page on Facebook.
Oh, okay. So QDOBA's the burritos is buy one get one free, but you know I got a bowl. So go like their page on Facebook. They give you some perks. Tell them a real one sent you. All right, hold on. So we made it here. We are at the Green Valley Range. It's about to go down, basement. About to have some fun, and then we're gonna take y'all inside. So y'all gonna see. Here we go.
Hooks around your belt. Okay. This right here.
Miss JoJo.
Around your belt.
We in this thing. We gonna shoot.
This the knife Damascus guns.
Yeah.
This is an
All right, you can just hang out. We'll give you a call when we get open, okay?
We don't play no games.
Put this right here.
No games.
What lane were they on? Put this lock on there. Shoot it first. Bro, feel it in my body.
Go ahead, Jason.
Oh my goodness. Where you go? Where? Out here with the squad, man. Got young Jay. Got young Jay out here shooting my wife's AR. That's it. There you go. Way down, Phil. Look, you up too high. You up too high.
Right there?
Go ahead.
Look at your ass.
So as you can see, everything was a success. We had some fun. I don't really shoot guns often. Well, that was my first time actually shooting. So we did good. So now it's time to go home and sleep. Y'all saw Weekend with Kale. And it's a wrap. It's a wrap. A real one has shot a gun.
Everybody else in the family.
Now I've been a real one. Don't get it twisted now.
Even his sister has all these
Yeah, she shoot guns all the time.
Is the only one who
Yeah. You know, shine.